Today's natural expressions captured in the daily lives of native Korean are 애완동물, 반려동물, 품종, and 사료. If you're interested in any of today's expressions or the daily lives of native Korean, please watch the following video. Hello, I'm Bori, and it's Bori's Korean. Do you remember seeing the black and small creature that roamed my house in the previous videos? Today, I will introduce one of my family members, which is Kongja. Kongja is a 6-year-old girl who is obviously the most beautiful of the 3 ladies in my family. Isn't she really pretty? Pets are called 애완동물, 애완동물 in Korean, and the use of the term 반려동물, 반려동물 has increased significantly since a few years ago, which means life companion. Therefore, pets are called 애완동물 or 반려동물 in Korean. And breeds are said 품종, 품종 in Korean. Kongja's 품종 is a Korean shorthair. She was the one who spent the most time with me in this house before my girl was born. She and I love the cozy spaces so much. As your wizard, this kind of thing happened a lot. When I made room for a night view or to enjoy sunshine, she would often quickly take up the space I'd prepared and made me wait for the next turn. Hey, this is for me. Sadly, her glory days were over when the baby was born. My evil daughter, when she had the ability to crawl around, started chasing and harassing her all day long. The baby split her food and water and pulled her hair out. I'm really sorry. I apologize for the baby. So I've got her own space on one side of my balcony that the baby can access. This is the only place where Kongja can enjoy freedom from the baby's touch. This room has this lady's meal toilet and scratcher. In Korean, food for pets is said 사료, 사료. She doesn't eat human food. She eats only 사료. Small, cute, and hairly Kongja is the grateful sister who accepts my baby's pranks. They sleep together, share diapers, and also play together. They literally play together, I'm telling you. When I try to play Kongja with a laser pointer, see what happens next. My baby reacts. How do you like the 2 girls spending time together? Can you find anything more adorable than this? Hey, Kongja, I don't want you to relax. Take it away if you can. Ugh, her power is stronger than I thought. Let go, let go. Guess who is getting the toy mouse? So today, I used Korean words such as 애완동물, 반려동물, 품종, and 사료. I hope it was helpful for all of you. Have a lovely day, everyone. Bye!